Good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to the PM Sri Government Senior Secondary School Rajpur. I will take you to the students who are working in astronomy and tinkering lab. The children, they are using the VR sets, 3D sets to view their curriculum. They are supposed to connect to the Wi-Fi also. This facility is also available with the school. They can search anything regarding their curriculum in this VR set also. This is a very sophisticated set, and they are making the optimum use of the VR sets. And these are the children who are working on a astronomy kit. And what's this, bacho? What's this? This is Newton's first law. They are trying to demonstrate the Newton's first law of motion practically. That is unless and until a force is applied on the body in the state of rest or uniform motion continue to be in the same state. They are demonstrating the children of lower classes 6th to 10th, that small children, the class children of the classes 6 7, they are being assisted by the students of their seniors, that is the children of 9th and 10th higher classes. Here is another model on which the students of +1 science are working. And what's the name of your, because they are doing it under DIY, do it yourself. They are trying to construct the model of their own, and this is an opportunity being provided to them to enhance their skills as well as to develop critical thinking by the this is a facility under tinkering lab and astronomy lab, and children are enjoying it. They are enjoying a lot. They are constructing themselves the kits that provided to them by the teachers. DIY, do it yourself. This is another project on which the students of +1 and +2 science are working, and they are working on a model. What's the name of the model? What's this?
Smart Agri Tech Kit.
A smart agri tech kit, and they are trying to fabricate it, and they are using the various tools, the facility available with them, because the whole school is connected to Wi-Fi, not by one way, by different ways, because we are having agriculture lab, tourism and hospitality lab, that is under, this is vocational courses, tinkering lab, adult tinkering lab and astronomy lab. And the children, they are very keen, they are keenly absorbed in their work, and they are trying to construct it. That's good work. These are the students of +2 science. They are working on this kit, agri-tech kit, and another model that is being constructed by the student of +1 science, and they are working this model. What's the name of your model, bacho? What's this model?
Sir, pulse rate, heart pulse rate.
Heart pulse rate. That's good. This is a group of +1 science. They are working on the kit under DIY, do it yourself. None of the teachers are assisting them. They are constructing, we are doing everything of their own. And it's a smart work that is carried out by the children of plus one science. This is one more group which is working on the kit Mangalyaan model. They are fabricating a Mangalyaan model. This is the Mangalyaan parts. They are arranging them, and students of I think 9th and 10th class. They belong to 9th class, and once again the children of PM Sri Government Model Senior Secondary School. They are working on different models in this ground, and teachers are providing them the facilities. They are just facilitating the children's, and all the children's, they are supposed to construct all the models under DIY in Adult Tinkering Lab. The facilities are being provided by Tinkering Lab and Astronomy Lab. Myself, Ramesh Thakur, lecturer in physics, PM Sri Government Model Senior Secondary School, Rajpur, and I'm considering myself so lucky that during my tenure in this institution, that Adult Tinkering Lab and the Astronomy Lab, they came to this institution, and I'm enjoying with my children of 6th to 12th class and I consider myself so lucky, and that the children are working under me and constructing various kits. Thank you very much. Thank you.